After you create the walkthrough, you can change the visual style to whichever you like. Notice that shaded or consistent colors take more time to process, and the size of the file would be bigger as well. You can also turn the shadows on and off, and notice that my face filter is on show complete. If you change it to show all, this is not what we want, right? So I'm gonna make sure the face of the walkthrough view is on show complete. Seems about right. You can go to File, Export, and Image and Animations walkthrough. We have the option to change the frame per second, and then it's going to show the duration here, total time. If I change this from 50 to 30, if I double the frame per second, the total time would be half, right? So maybe I would change this to something more like 10. So 15 seconds is the total time of the video. The higher the total time, the higher or the longer it's going to take to process. You can change the dimensions here. If you want to have different frame per second or different speed for different frames, you can go back to the walkthrough, go to edit walkthrough. If you click on that number, frame settings, you see that 15 comes from here. You can remove the check mark for uniform speed and change the accelerator to change the time of different keyframes if you wish so. But I'm gonna leave it. So File, Export, scroll down, walkthrough. So the frame per second can be manipulated in two locations. I'm gonna leave the rest. You can include time and date stamp. Okay, seems about right. I'm gonna leave the dimensions as it is. Okay. You can assign the location. Before. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. And it's gonna be in .avi format, which is for videos. The walkthrough is ready. You can play it. Notice that we have the number of frames showing there at the top, right? And that's a good idea. That's because I checked the box for a stamp of date and time and the slide. So if you send this video to your client and they want to say like change something, slide number 107, you can easily follow that. Also notice that I changed this to the visual style to shaded. You can have it in realistic or hidden or any other visual style.